we are going to talk about the differences between school and university. In the school, we wear uniform. In the university, we don't wear uniform. In the school, we have homeworks. In the university, we don't have homeworks. We have a research at the end of the year. In the school, we have teachers teach us. In the university, we have doctors that teach us. In the school, we have classes. In the university, we have halls. In the school, we have to be on the time. In the university, anytime you can come to the hall. In the school, same buildings. In the university, different buildings. In the school, we have periods. In the university, we have lectures.
Talking about the differences between the school and the university. At first we started school, we wear uniforms. In the university, we don't wear uniforms. In school, we have homeworks, but in university, we have no homeworks. Instead, we have the research we have to do at the end of the year. In school, we have classes to learn in, but in university, we have home. In school, we have to be on the time to start learning, but in university, we can come anytime. In school, we have the same building to learn in, but in university, there is different buildings here. In school, we have periods, but in university, we have lectures.